What's up, everyone? 3D Print 747 here, back again with a quick video. So this black Dino Thunder Power Ranger helmet has been on here for 2 days now. You can see the specs. We're only 60% done. I'm only doing a 20% infill. I don't know what these little furry things are on the edge. It looks like maybe the support broke. And then over here, we've got some inside as well. So I'm not sure what's going on. I'm hoping that it's going to finish okay and be fine. I'm hoping that these supports aren't going to be a pain to rip off. I used Orca Slicer, and I wanted to use adaptive layer height so the top wouldn't have those circles on it. And using adaptive layer height, I couldn't use organic supports. I had to use the standard supports, which they are taking forever to just build, and that one fell over in there. So we'll see how it ends. Almost went through an entire roll of filament. Another issue I was having was the roll was sliding over to the edge here and coming loose around the spool. So I just printed a quick spacer that fit on there that keeps the spool over to the left of the Cobra 2 Max. So let this go. Hopefully it'll be done in the morning. Hopefully it won't be a pile of spaghetti tomorrow morning, and we will see how it goes. Alright, next morning, and still going strong. Almost 75% done. At this rate, we may be done in 4 days. No, just kidding. Hopefully done tomorrow. I don't know why the heck. I'm going to go back and look at the settings and see what's going on. I do see some weird ringing on the side. Some circles. I don't know if you can see that there. But anyway, back soon. Alright, everyone. Finally finished. It's been a crazy 114 hours. Hopefully the supports break off easy. Seems like they're going to. Alright, let's take this over to the desk and continue. Alright guys, so the supports are kind of ugly, but they're cleaning right up. These are popping off pretty easy. Not an issue. I used a 0.34 top Z height, which is what I always use. These that are in the eye were breaking out. Maybe there's something in here that, yeah, they're supported more in there now. There's that, but they're popping right out. So pretty easy to pop off the supports. No issue here. Look at that. Again, 0.34 top Z height, 0.3 bottom Z, or bottom Z height. Let me go ahead and get this cleaned up, and we'll catch you. I'll fast forward and we'll catch you at the end. So here we go. That's the final print off the K2 Max. I think it turned out really, really good. It'll be brighter in here, except that we have a storm going on outside right now, so lighting is horrible. Gonna clean it up a little bit. Let's get rid of some of the boogers around the edges. Of course, sand it. I'm gonna Bondo it, sand it, Bondo it, wet sand it. Probably take me a week, and then paint it. And I have to order some plastic film for the eyes. And I'm going to use a tint, a red tint to, you know, that's the way it is in the series. So of course it's got to be red. I got to figure out. I think a jewel might go there. Paint the eyes. And yeah, turned out good. Make sure when you guys are printing helmets, you don't need inside supports. That is a waste of filament. There's no reason why this has to be supported at the top. The printer will do just fine no matter what printer you have. I've done it with Ender 3s, I've done it with Vipers, I've done it with my Bamboo, I've done it with the Anycubic Cobra, the Cobra 2 Max, Cobra 2, or Cobra Max. It's just a waste. You might get these spirals at the top, but it doesn't matter. They're on the inside. It's not a big deal. The outside is what matters, and that's not an issue. You can see that I ran out of filament. I might have said that in a previous part of this video. But yeah, I think it turned out really nice. I'm happy with it. So stay tuned. Please hit that like button if you haven't already. And consider subscribing. If you like the comments, or if you like the content, please comment down below. Let me know if there's something else you want to see, maybe another helmet, or if you have any questions or anything that I can answer, let me know, and we'll catch you at the next one. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. 3D Print 747, I'm out of here.